Hi, I'm Bob with the Purdue Manufacturing Extension Partnership. The topic for this module is performing a safety risk assessment. Performing a safety risk assessment when deploying a new technology involves several key steps to identify, evaluate, and mitigate risks. Here's a step-by-step approach. Step 1. Identify potential hazards. Look for physical hazards and any direct risks the new technology may introduce, such as moving parts, high temperatures, electrical shock risks, noise, and other hazards. Examine potential environmental risks, like hazardous material exposure, waste disposal needs, or increased air and water emissions. Consider the impact on workers, such as new job requirements, increased workload, operator errors, or risks from interaction with machines. In our cobot case study, there was a physical injury risk associated with the cobot arm operating in close proximity to employees. To mitigate the risk, the system integrators installed a safety sensor that detects when a person is too close to the cobot and automatically slows or stops the cobot depending on how close the person is to the machine. When adopting new digital technologies, assess cybersecurity risks. In our Connecticut case study involving the adoption of digital machine monitoring technology, the manufacturer selected sensors that did not directly interface with the production equipment controls. The sensors that were installed monitor equipment status by using an amperage sensor clamped around a machine's power cable and measuring the electrical current flow through the wire. Step 2. Conduct a risk analysis. For each identified hazard, assess the likelihood of occurrence and the severity of potential consequences like injuries, illnesses, or environmental damage. The occurrence and severity risk levels can be identified as high, medium, or low. In some cases, you may be able to quantify the occurrence or severity using historical data or forecast models. Next, utilize a risk matrix to categorize hazards based on likelihood and impact. This will help prioritize which risks need immediate attention, with the high likelihood and high severity risks being the most urgent. Step 3. Evaluate existing control measures. Review existing safety protocols, equipment safeguards, emergency procedures, and training to determine if current controls are sufficient. Assess current policies and procedures and determine if they need modification to accommodate the new technology. Consider regulatory compliance and standards like OSHA, ISO, or industry-specific guidelines for information on appropriate control measures. Step 4. Develop mitigation strategies. There are several mitigation options that can be used to reduce occurrence and/or severity of a risk. Engineering controls, like physical safety barriers, emergency shutdown systems, or enhanced machine guarding, might be necessary. Administrative controls, such as updating procedures, training programs, and communication protocols may be appropriate. If necessary, require personal protection equipment like hard hats, gloves, or safety glasses for employees interacting with the new technology. Consider adjustments to workflows, maintenance schedules, and operator tasks to reduce risk. Ensure the new technology includes built-in safety features, such as emergency stop buttons, safety sensors, or automatic shutdown triggers. Also consider consulting with engineers, safety experts, or other professionals with expertise in the new technology for guidance on risk mitigation. Be sure to involve employees early in the process by engaging workers in discussions about potential risks and mitigation strategies. Finally, Step 5. Implement the safety measures. Develop and implement a comprehensive plan for the deployment of safety measures. Train employees on the new technology, potential hazards, and emergency response protocols. Ensure clear communication and involvement from all departments and teams when rolling out the new safety measures. And consider using sign-off sheets to track which employees have been trained on the new safety measures and procedures. By following these steps, you can identify and mitigate the safety risks associated with deploying new technologies, ensuring a safer work environment for everyone involved.